9:30 in the morning, February 21st, 2022. And we are headed to go pick up the keys to our new place and sign the final paperwork. Our back is filled with TVs. We take advantage of anything we can bring. And then we should come back, and then I'll get changed a little bit, put on my tennis shoes, and get to loading the U-Haul. That's the plan. Now, the winds are ridiculous, which it's fine if it's here. If the winds are really this bad here, that's okay. It's driving to what we call the Cajon. Sometimes they'll close it for trucks of any size, like U-Hauls and things like that. But we'll see. Hopefully the wind will play nice. Yeah, anyways, I don't want to make this too long. So we are headed to go get our keys, and I will be back.
Couldn't bear in my mind that it's no longer my eyes, that yours and yours only. But for us, I'm safe. You should slide through. Come through right now. It's only 4:22, yeah. Lay down on my front lawn with the fires up. We get skies open up. We get skies to blanket us. Skies wanna blanket us. I wanna blanket us. Take us out of space. Let the constellation take us. Oh, go too fast.
The guy's still here. Let me turn off the dishwasher. They were checking to make sure it worked. The other house had a dishwasher, but it wasn't really working. So the guy just left, and we went. Oh my gosh, this was so professional. Oh my gosh. I mean, every house we've had, it's been by owner, so we directed everything direct. This last house was by property management, and so it was our first time doing it like that. And oh my God, what a difference. Now I know that the other house when we moved, I think I made a vlog saying how there was problems at the beginning. The house was not really ready to be moved in. Anyway, very professional. But I'm gonna turn you around, guys, and we're gonna go through the house. I mean, we went through every little thing. The carpet, we went through the carpet. We went through the kitchen. Can you guys see the kitchen? Oh my gosh. I'll take you to the backyard and everything. So I'm going to turn you around. So here are the double doors. Here. It's a double door, so these actually open up, which I love. I think it's, yeah, right here. See? Double doors. I can't believe it's going to make so much easier to bring in the stuff. And then here's like the living room area. And the windows up there have the shades as well. And then a little area over here. And then in here is the dining area, which we're going to buy like a big rug to protect this carpet. Really nice plush carpet, really plush, very plush. And it has 2 windows. There. We'll go to the backyard after I'm done showing you the house. And then inside the kitchen here, the island. And then I'm like, the sink is so deep. I'm like, what? It's so deep. Look at that. Beautiful. And back slab already. And this has lights right there under the cabinet lights, even on that side as well. The island has all these drawers ready to go. They painted everything. A little nick here. It has electrical outlets on the island. So that's the kitchen. And then the family room here. And then it has like an intercom with a radio. And it works too, okay? It works. And every room has one. So over here, it's my son Aaron. He'll take the bottom room. It's small. It's smaller than what he has, but he said that's okay. He doesn't have much. He chooses to be downstairs. He wants to be downstairs. There's the intercom there. Here's the bathroom. He already brought some of his stuff. And what I love about this, the shower heads. Look at that. Look at that. My son brought that he just brought in. The tub looks brand new, like stinking new. What I like about it, and here it has a heating lamp. That is so cool. And you could feel like the heat. Oh my gosh. I don't know my thing was recording, but anyway, my son brought all that. Toilet saver, brand new. Brand spanking new. Brand new. Look at this. Look, it has a back. Oh my gosh. It has a laundry way. It's not a laundry room, but that's okay. That's okay. What is that? So, and then the garage. The garage has this to hold up. This is like a fire door where they slam shut automatically, but it has a screen door. That cool? Has a screen door, so you could leave it open. And then the side door also has a screen door here too. I'll show you. See? Security door. Has a water softener for the whole entire house. That's nice. Okay. So I think I've shown you. Oh, and the gas. This is a gas fireplace, so that's nice. Nice, very nice. Okay, let's go upstairs. Oh, let me show you what we call the clubhouse. It's not as big, but where's the light? The light's out here somewhere. Hold on. There we go. But we're gonna put a lot of the eBay items that are on eBay right here for now. So that's where that's gonna go there. Like I said, it has a little nook area. I like this little area. I love this area right here. Nice. Okay, let's go upstairs. Look at that. Look at that view. Isn't that pretty? Okay.
Every time you call me by my name, I get butterflies up in my face.
So this is the master bedroom, and it has the double doors, which ours did too. Oh, I feel like I need to be more careful here because, yeah, okay. So has a double doors and high ceilings. Definitely change out those lights. I think what they did was the lights are amber and they wanted to go with the curtains. And you know, I told my husband, I like these curtains. I like them. Look at that. They're pretty. The only thing I'm going to change is this. That's it. And then put these away so that when we move or whatever, we just put them back. There's a little window here. You can see the backyard. I don't know if you can see that. See the neighbor's yard. Pretty backyard too. They have a nice backyard. They have a balcony. Freshly painted walls. Very neutral. Very neutral color walls. And it feels warm here. Look at the tile in the bathroom. A private toilet area. Brand new. A big deep tub. I have never been one for taking baths, but you know, we're gonna do it. And the shower. And then the closet is in here, which it's a walk-in closet. My son says looks bigger. I don't think so. But maybe. I just think it's because of the shape of it. It might be long, like wider as you walk in instead of deeper in as you walk in. And there's the double sinks there. And I like this. I like this a lot. Everything is like clean and brand new. Painting. The paint, look at the bottom. The other one at the other house, all this is coming up because they didn't fix it. They didn't do anything to it. So you have this side as well. And then I think there's even that little section there. Does this open? No, just those three. Okay. And that, you have 2 medicine cabinets. 2. And then towel holder on each side. And then the heating lamps, you get 2 in this one. And then the ceilings are extremely high here. And then you have this out here for your towels. That's cool. I wonder if it has one over here. Look at that window above the tub. That's awesome. And every room has the sprinklers where they come out. Every room. Every room. Right there, see? Every room has them. And I think this was the only room that has a carbon monoxide detector, so he recommended what we do downstairs. Anyways, so let's go. As you walk out, you could see the windows up here. Always gonna give light. And not pretty. It's really nice. So coming out of the bedroom, you'll see the downstairs main living area. Okay, so down this hall, turn on, let me see, what's the lights here? Okay, down this hall, we were hoping that there was some type of outlet so I could put my printer here. So I'm not sure now where I'm going to put my printer because I wanted to put my eBay supplies, but we'll see. We'll see how we work it. It would have been nice, but that's okay. But it's just a little linen closet down the hallway here. And then coming straight this way is there's 4 bedrooms upstairs. This is out of the 3 bedrooms that are not the master. This is the second biggest. The second biggest. Look at that closet. See, they all have the intercom. Every room. The closet is really nice here. Really nice. Really nice. And I think this one's gonna be Evan's room. It has that in the back. Berber carpet. Yeah, I think this is gonna be Evan's room. No popcorn ceilings. Yay. Yay. Okay, so so that's the master. You come down the hall and you're gonna go straight into that room. Next to it is the smaller of the rooms. This is gonna be Aiden's room. It's gonna be Aiden's. See, the closet is smaller. Aiden doesn't have a lot, so I was thinking he can put his dresser inside here, and then on this side, his hanging clothes on this side, and that will alleviate a lot of space for him because all he has is a bed now, and a computer and his TV. Across from that one is the bathroom. That's cute. That. Ooh, it is hot, but that's nice. Ooh, okay. But brand new shower head in here, brand new. Brand spanking new. And then this is one of the ones that bevel out. And then a towel holder there. Brand new toilet. Brand spanking new. And then down this hall is going to be Savannah's room, which is this is the one on top of the garage. This is the bigger of the 3 bedrooms that are up here. So let's see, does this work? I'm curious. Door talk.
Can you hear me down there? Can anybody hear me down there? Can you guys hear me down there? Is anybody here? Can anybody hear me down there?
Okay, I think that's it. That was the whole house. Oh, let's go to the backyard, shall we? Let's go. These carpets are so plush. My shoes get caught in the carpet. Let's go to the backyard. These are okay. The alarm told me I'm going to the back. These are heavy, which means good windows. Look at this, Chad. You don't have to fight to open it up. Isn't that crazy? So this is the backyard as you walk out. And then it has all these cute things on the retaining wall. What I like about it is that it's right in the very center of the patio. It has this aluminum, I think it's called aluminum siding. And it's only in the center because then you have a trellis that lends in light on each side of it. And it has the fans. And then you could put a TV out here. It has for a TV here. So you have a lemon tree here. You have all this yard for the dogs. They don't even know what grass is in the backyard.
Come through right now. It's only 4:22. Yeah, I down on my front lawn with the fires up. We get.
There's the entrance to the garage is there, and then outside. It's kind of narrow, but this is beautiful. Like I'm in heaven back here. And the intercom comes out here. Okay. I'm just loving, but this thing's still going. I love this. You could pull this out. Like what? Like what? That is so awesome. And so now the work begins, guys. The work begins. So what we're going to do is we're going to leave here now, go back to the house, get the U-Haul, and start packing up the U-Haul and come back. Yeah. All right, guys. That is it for today. We should be sleeping here tonight officially, and I will continue the vlog as you see the whole process as we move in. All right, guys. Talk to you later.